I'm coming. Mommy. Mommy, give me a rock.
What are you doing in a man's house by this time of the day? Eh? I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry for yourself. Are you ready to get killed right now? No. Eh? Biobi, what were you doing with this girl? Come back here. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Come here. Okay, get out. Get out. Stupid girl.
Mommy, I don't like the way you embarrass me in this house.
What were you doing with that girl some few minutes ago? What?
Mommy, I don't like the way you embarrass me in this house. Eh? Am I not, after all, my mates are doing it.
Your mates? Elby, do you know how much baby milk costs in the market? Stupid boy, do you know? Do you know how much baby milk costs in the market?
Mommy, see, that, I don't know what you're talking about. You see that girl? She's my candidate.
Hey. So, you are now JAMB official or school register. When you have crippled yourself with industrial action of ASU. So this is what you've just learned in less than 1 year in the university. Obina, eh?
Mommy, when I don't have anything to do at home, I have to add that an adult mind is a devil's workshop.
Shut that your mouth. Not in my house. I'm not allowing any devil in my house. Eh? I know what will keep you busy. First, just get dressed. You are going to go for confession this evening. Huh? Second, I bought 9 books for you, plus the 3 you say you borrow from your friends. Those textbooks, start summarizing them and be submitting them to me once every week. Let's start from there so that I will know how idle you remain.
For what now? Huh? But the confession of the thing, I thought they say in the
hey, I changed my mind though. So just get dressed. I'm waiting for you outside. I want to go and see the captives in the church. And you are going with me. So when we get there, we first pray in the chapel before you go for the confession. Stupid boy.
Mom, you see, I didn't do anything.
Don't keep me waiting, no.
I didn't do anything, no. Mom, you are talking about confession as if I did something. See, I didn't do anything, no. When I did nothing. I admit it happened now. I think I will still know what to say. It is all this.
This village don't tire me.
The reason that's why they do now I want to enter back campus.
Bro. See, they talk like say you don't know me.
Nah, I don't tire. I don't tire. We can't strike with this now. Come. I won't stay for years and won't spend the rest of our life for us.
Imagine, solid.
Where they just call and off now. Come. You know that babe we enter.
Agnes.
Oh boy. I want to go see just the thing where they
so
there.
He didn't end again. This guy, fast striker. Fast striker.
Solid man.
Wait.
See, man, tell you.
Wait.
See, mind your business.
Which business?
They work you now. Why you going to talk about my babe for here now?
Don't try that. Go easy.
Chief.
My baby. Hope the money I gave you for the exam will be okay for you.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
That is my
sure.
baby. That's my baby. When are you coming back now?
I don't know yet, but when I come back, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's my baby. Make sure nobody touches you there.
Nobody.
Right, that's my baby.
You're such a darling. Alright. See you, Chief.
Alright.
The guys.
Come, sorry. Wait. What the hell with you people? What's wrong with you now?
This guy.
Can't wait to say nigga when just enter this camp.
These people, oh. I forget. Have fun now.
They're fine.
Don't they shine now. What's they happen now?
Nothing there happened, no.
Baby, what's up, bro?
Just there. Just there. Go see now.
Amanda. Where do you think you're coming from?
That's your business for where I went to. No, guy, I got for it.
Only you and alcohol. Nothing.
Nothing with that.
I'm gonna do with you here.
Nah, this guy
In this house. In this house.
Solid. This guy are bad.
Amanda. I'm gonna do with you here. Don't worry. To hell with you. See. CJ. Let me be. I'm gonna do with this girl. Why is it that this girl is always on my...
I wonder how I'm going to survive. It's just my 1 year in the school. I'm already indebted to the woman selling near my lodge and to my landlord. You can ask Abraham here, the same thing with him too. Even subjecting to the risks of imprisonment or being killed by forced men sent by the invigilators. It's really something else.
Guys, during my days in the campus, I was a street boy. I used to take scores from JAMB to Port Harcourt. After 1 month, I come back, go for my nego. After 1 month, after some weeks, I come back again for the WAEC. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I make my money. Then what is the problem?
So you mean you barely spend 1 month in school?
Yeah.
8 semester?
Exactly.
Then how did you pass?
I consume my textbook all night, reading. If my parents were rich, I could make the upper honor.
Roger, see, you are not giving us hope at all. You are not helping issue here.
Yeah. So it seems you are just telling us
is just the norms in Nigeria, then what is the fate of Nigerian human resources? Because they will keep losing short of their intellectual standard set by them, by their other contemporaries, even our neighbors like Ghana.
See, this one is very, very critical.
Mama, can you give me? Can you just enough though?
Amanda, come back here. Where do you think you're going to?
How is it your business? I want to go and see somebody.
Okay, water.
If I may forget, take care of grandma. Outside.
Abraham, stay on what man can do to have money. You know, that's where my head is. I have been thinking how one can invent, you know, almost invisible earpiece or microphone, you know. This exam and practice, it will be more easier. What do you think?
Yes, I'm even thinking about the kind we can communicate through our thoughts. How you see him? How you see him? Why is this even laughing? Why is he laughing?
God.
What is funny?
Oh boy, yeah.
See, what is making this man laugh now? You think this is funny?
You know, I used to tell you, this guy is an idiot.
No, I'll come for that matter.
I agree.
Man, oh, you think it's not possible, Abi?
If I may ask you guys, how do you think it's going to be possible? How? You're asking what is funny.
You know, I used to tell you, this guy's an idiot.
I'm not for that matter. No.
Man, you think it's not possible?
If I may ask you, how do you think that's going to be possible?
But Obi, how did you come about the mobile phone?
Or the TV that makes woman and his art duplicated, seen by many. How come about that?
Well. I think you're really making sense with that. That's good.
The point is that anybody that can invent that kind of mobile phone will make so much money in JAMB runs. I'm telling you. Like, seriously.
If I ask you guys now, how much do you think that will cost us? How much?
Oh boy, that kind of money.
Maybe
You see, that kind of money is not here. You say See, you guys are here thinking about something that you don't even know what it will cost. Yeah? When I talk now, you say I didn't move, but you know, this thing is here.
We don't hear you. No, just directly get for us.
I mean, we're not going to tell them to. My brother, how long shall we remain like this? This is the 4th month. Yet, ASU is not saying anything about calling off the strike. Hi.
My brother, you see, what I'm saying on my own self is this. Listen, we need to advise our business first. You know we are bigger, and to collect 10k or 15 or 20k per semester. You understand? We really need to come up with something big. When we run everything down, check our hand, you'll be seeing like something like 200k or 300k. What do you think about that?
It's not bad. It's not a bad idea.
You see?
Yes.
So, we really need to come up with something big. We need to plan our deal very fast. You understand? Printing the poster, pasting it outside, let people know what we are up to. You understand? So this is a good business.
So, how do we go about the posters? What name will it bear?
Okay. This is your job now. You need to go out there, shake and see how others do their own. And you need to do it the same way they do their own. Because this is a business, we need this money. At least when you want to follow it, we will see something in our pocket.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, so it's okay, the idea is nice. I will do just that. So let me see your.
Abraham! Good! Jesus! Abraham, what happened to you?
Jesus Christ.
What happened to you?
Obi, no waste time. Pick up from the land. Let's think good. Jesus. Let's go.
Roger. I want him. I want Abraham. Look at what he has done to himself.
Obi, stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Stop crying. But I told Abraham that this guy Collins is a deadly type. This guy is a cultist. I told him, don't go to this guy. This guy is deadly. Eh? But he wouldn't listen. Look at what he has caused himself now. Eh? I just pray that he survived this. I want him. Eh?
Yeah, we were just trying to play a good ball.
Good boy.
I was just trying to clear his conscience. Good.
I told him. I said, the best option for you, Abraham, in this village is to pack your bag and packages and leave immediately. This guy Collins is a deadly type. I know him very, very well. That's what I told him. But he wouldn't listen. Look at what he has caused himself. Eh? Stop crying, Obi. Stop crying. I believe he will survive.
He need to survive.
I believe so. Stop crying, okay? I believe he will survive. That is our prayer. Let's pray that he survive this situation because this is so critical.
Abba, I think we should say that the registration is free. It will attract more candidates.
Nice one. But while they are submitting the form, we will collect 1,000 naira from them for processing the form field. How you see it now?
Man, too bad.
Oh boy, I need the money. I spent 2,500 naira for printing and photocopying all these handbills. Oh boy, I need the money. Serious.
It's okay. No wahala. What about those your candidates? Have you given them their forms?
Fine. Another idea that just came up to my mind now is this. The first 20 candidates that will pick up the form, we will give them discounts. How do you say it?
But we have already mass produced it now. We should be more economical in telling them verbally. They should spread the words to others.
Yeah. That's okay. That's good.
You are going to see the principal today.
Yes.
I believe everything is going to work well.
Everything's going to work well. There's no much problem.
So, what was your last experience in this school?
I remember there is a teacher in this school that wanted to take an advantage of us. Because we are not indigenous. One from the far state. I carried 8 machineries, took a group precious together. We organized ourselves, woke up the hood boys, and we paid a principal a visit. It is even the indigene that gave us the beretta that we used to affront the man. Man believed. And even the man cleared his throat from us and request no money again.
Wow.
And this man will just come and stop the exam, telling us that invigilators are coming, that we should scot 1,000 naira from those candidates. I'm telling you, but after we fronted the man that night, the whole thing stopped.
Wow.
So that is it. The last day of the exam will remain an unforgettable experience.
You students want to show how rude you are. You want to expose your foolishness.
And you want to show me that you know what to do in my own school. Because I allow you to take JAMB in my school. Then you want to turn this place to the community of Americans. You don't care how things work. And you come in here to show how stupid and foolish you are. Let me tell you, if you think you are wicked and you are hard, I want a bad man. Sir, please, will you sit down and wicked? This is how you people turn the whole place when they go jump off from barbarians. You make this environment to commit for uncircumcised animals. What is all this? What's your problem?
Sorry, sir.
Today you will smell my rocks. I will know the kind of person I am. Uncle Jay, come out here. Come out here from the boys. I said come out here! We come out. Come out here. Come out. Everybody here submit your papers. I said shut your mouth up, hand your pen, 1, 2. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now let me ask you, what do you want to disrupt the smooth flow of this school? How will you enter my school and you want to turn the whole place to the angle of civilized animal? You enter my school, you don't want to do anything. You do run over and do other things. Why do you do that? This is an understanding. You don't have to do this. You know me well now. See, the reason why I'm here is to sanitize and synthesize my school. I don't need all this nonsense. Let me be going. Let me just do this. Let's push it to no, let him not be as if I'm collecting bribe.
It's not bribe, it's when the right hand of the left.
We are giving it to you. Okay. I don't like it. I know one thing. Don't worry about my voice, yeah?
This is serious.
I'm telling you.
It's wonderful.
Let's go and see. No problem. Then let's go and see the principal.
So there's no problem. Let's get there and see the principal, okay?
Am I sure?